Today, we'll be going over how to install an EcoHitch on your Kia Sorento. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving the video a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, lower the spare tire following the instructions found in your vehicle's owner's manual. Next, remove the underbody plastic panel on the driver's side. Then, using a lubricant such as WD-40, remove the rubber exhaust bungs and lower the exhaust. You may need to support it in order to avoid any damage. There may be 4 rubber plugs on each side of the frame that need to be removed in order to install the hitch. Raise the hitch into place and line up the holes. You may find it easier to thread in a bolt or two in order to temporarily secure it in place while you place the rest of the bolts into the frame. Once you have all the bolts into place with the proper hardware, tighten them to the proper foot-pounds laid out in the instructions. Then, replace the exhaust and the underbody panel from before. Notch the spare tire back into place and return all components back to the trunk. Once everything is secure, your install is complete and your EcoHitch is ready for use.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.